Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About x, that is about the square root of x to the power of 2. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. We don't have number 2 in here, so I will put number 2 go to the left. So this one we change by u dx over the square root of x, we change by 2 du. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of a sine t, because if I put this one go in here, we have a sine t square, a and a. We can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square we change by cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root. Du, we have the square root of a cosine t dt. So I will put this one go in here. Du, we change by this one. So we have a sine t square, 8 and 8. We can do about factorization. So 1 minus sine t square we change by cosine t square, and this one we have the square root of a and cosine t. So this one and this one we have a, so I will put a in here. Cosine t, we have cosine t square. About cosine t square, we change by cosine 2t plus 1 over 2. So number 2 and number 2 we simplify. The integration of cosine 2t, we have 1 over 2 sine 2t. Number 1, that is about t. And I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by the square root of a. And now we can find the value of t. So I will put this one to change for t. About u, that is about the square root of x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.